Hello guys! For today's video, make tayo ng banana shake. Here's a typical day. Just bought this portable blender. Very comfortable to use. Small, portable and lightweight tumbler, juicer, blender. Okay, so to begin with, tatlong pirasong bananas. And of course, we'll mix this one with milk. Ayan, so without further ado, umpisahan na po natin ang ating banana shake, banana shake. Bananas are given from our uncle-in-law here. So to start with, unahin po natin yung banana. Peel the banana. Medyo overripe na tong banana na to, but still, okay pa siya. Kinukuha ko lang yung part na may maitim. Kasi, baka po overripe na siya. So, kinukuha ko lang yung maitim. Okay na yun. And, actually, I bought this blender kasi yung firstborn ko, ayaw po niya sa fruits. Yung fresh fruits talaga, ipapakain mo kasi sa kanya. Pero pag i-juice or gawin mong shake or juice, ayan, iinumin niya. So, we decided to buy this portable blender. Very comfortable, very easy to run also, and very easy to, of course, to use. Ayan, so ang bilis lang talaga mag-shake, no? So, I was able to make 1 glass of it, and I am giving it to my firstborn. Ayan. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, everyone. And if you wish to be updated on my future uploads, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you. Have a blessed day.